We can look at one more problem. Maximize z equal to x1 plus 9x2 subject to 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 25, x2 less than or equal to 11, x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. Solve this LPP using dynamic programming technique. Okay. So stage is equal to number of variables is equal to 2. State is equal to number of constraints is equal to again 2. We are going to enter in stage 1. Stage 1. Define the function f1 of what is the right side of first and second constraint 25 and 11. f1 of 25 comma 11 is equal to maximum of x1. Maximize x1 where 0 less than or equal to x1 less than or equal to b. Now we are going to solve b. b is equal to minimum of RHS1 divided by coefficient of x1 comma RHS2 divided by coefficient of x1. What is RHS1? 25, RHS2 11, coefficient of x1 in first constraint 2, second constraint 0. So b is equal to minimum of 25 divided by 2 comma 11 divided by 0, that is minimum of, either you can write 12.5 or 25 divided by 2. 12.5 comma infinity, which is the minimum value among these two, 12.5, that is b is equal to 12.5. Now we are rewriting the function f1 of 25 comma 11 is equal to maximize x1 where 0 less than or equal to x1 less than or equal to 12.5. Now we are going to solve x1. x1 is equal to minimum of, what is the equation of x1 from first constraint? x1 is equal to 25 minus x2 divided by 2. 25 minus x2 divided by 2 comma second there is no term of x1, that is 11 minus x2 divided by 0. 11 minus x2 divided by 0. This term is infinity. So minimum is this value, that is x1 is equal to minimum of 25 minus x2 divided by 2. Now we are rewriting the function f1 of 25 comma 11 is equal to minimum of 25 minus x2 divided by 2. This is the value of, this is the answer of first stage. Now we are going for stage 2. Stage 2. Again formulate the function f2 of 25 comma 11 is equal to maximize second 9x1, second 9x1 plus x2. 9x2 plus x1, that is maximize 9x2. What was the value of x1? Minimum of 25 minus x2 divided by 2 where 0 less than or equal to x2 less than or equal to b. Next is we need to find the value of b. b equal to minimum of RHS1 divided by coefficient of x2 comma RHS2 divided by coefficient of x2. What that is minimum of RHS1 is 25. 25 divided by what was the coefficient of x2? 1. 25 divided by 1, then 11 divided by 1. 11 divided by 1, that is minimum of 25 comma 11, which is the minimum value? 11. That is b equal to 11. So rewrite the function f2 of 25 comma 11 is equal to 9x2 plus minimum of 25 minus x2 by 2, where 0 less than or equal to x2 less than or equal to 11. Now we are going to find minimum of 25 minus x2 by 2. Minimum of 25 minus x2 divided by 2 is equal to minimum of what is the value of this function when x2 equal to 0? 25 minus 0 divided by 2, that is 25 by 2 when x2 equal to 0. Then second, when x2 equal to 11, 25 minus 11 divided by 2, that is 14 by 2, 7. 7 when x2 equal to 11. Which is the minimum value? 25 by 2 or 7? 7. So what is the value of x2? 11. So minimum value is 7, which is corresponding to x2 equal to 11. Minimum value is 7 corresponding to x2 equal to 11, that is x2 equal to 11. Then what is the value of x1? x1 equal to minimum of 25 minus x2 by 2. Substitute here value of x2 as 11 here. We will get x1 is equal to, substitute the value of x1 here, we will get the value of, substitute the value of x2 here, we will get the value of x1. 25 minus x2 by 2, that is 25 minus 11 by 2, 14 by 2, that is x1 equal to 7. So we will get x1 as 7 and x2 as 11. Then what is z? Z equal to x1 plus 9x2, that is 106. We can look at one more problem. Here maximize z equal to 4x1 plus 14x2 subject to 2x1 plus 7x2 less than or equal to 71, 7x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 21, x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. How many stages are here? 2 variables. So number of stages is 2. How many constraints? 2 constraints. So number of state equal to 2. Now we are going to go for stage 1. Function f1 of 21 comma 21 is equal to maximize first time 4x1 where 0 less than or equal to x1 less than or equal to b, that is maximum of 4x1 will be get in between the limit 0 to b. For that we need to find out the value of b. b equal to minimum of RHS1 divided by coefficient of x1 comma RHS2 divided by coefficient of x1. What is RHS1? 21 divided by 2 comma 21 divided by 7, that is minimum of 21 divided by 2 comma 21 divided by 7. Which is the minimum value? 21 by 2 10.5, 21 by 7 3, which is the minimum value 3, that is b equal to 3. Now we are going to solve x. Before that we are rewriting the function f1 of 21 comma 21 is equal to maximum of 4x1 maximum of 4x1 will be obtained in between the values 0 less than or equal to x1 less than or equal to 3. If we get the exact value of 3, if the value of x is in between 0 and 3, function will give the maximum value. For that we are going to solve x1. x1 is equal to minimum of, what is the equation of x1 from this equation form using this constraint, 2x1 plus 7x2 equal to 21. Then what will be x1? 21 minus 7x2 the whole divided by 2. That is minimum of 21 minus 7x2 the whole divided by 2. The second, what is the equation of x1? 21 minus 2x2 the whole divided by 7, comma 21 minus 2x2 the whole divided by 2. This is the minimum of. So first part is completed. That is f1 of 21 comma 21 is equal to minimum of, it was 4x1. So 4 into minimum of 21 minus 7x2 divided by 2 comma 21 minus 2x2 divided by 7, where 0 less than or equal to x1 less than or equal to 3. So first stage is completed here. Now we are entering into stage 2. So f2 of 21 comma 21 is equal to maximum of, objective function was 4x1 plus 14x2. So maximum of 14x2 plus 4x1. So now I am writing the value of x1 here, that is maximum of 14x2 plus 4 into minimum of 21 minus 7x2 divided by 2 comma 21 minus 2x2 divided by 7, where 0 less than or equal to s2 less than or equal to b. Now we are going to solve for b. b equal to minimum of RHS 1 divided by coefficient of x2 comma RHS 2 divided by coefficient of x2. What was RHS 1? Minimum of 21 divided by, what is coefficient of x2 here? 7. Here it is 2. So 21 by 7 comma 21 by 2, which is the minimum value 21 by 7, that is b equal to 3. We are writing the function f2 of 21 comma 21 is equal to maximum of 14x2 plus minimum of 21 minus 7x2 divided by 2 comma 21 minus 2x2 divided by 7. This was the maximization function, where 0 less than or equal to s2 less than or equal to 3. Now we are going to find x2. So in the previous cases there is only one x2 here. We need to substitute 0 and 3 in this equation. We will get the value of x2. Since here two terms containing x2, first we need to equate these two terms and solve the value of x2. That is 21 minus 7x2 by 2 is equal to 21 minus 2x2 by 7. That is one more x2 term, that is an intersecting point, that will also we will get 21 minus 7x2 by 2 equal to 21 minus 2x2 by 7. By solving it, we will get x2 equal to 105 divided by 45, that is 7 by 3. 7 by 3 means that is a value less than, that is 2 point something, that is a value less than 3, that is lies in between this region. Okay, this value less than 3, that is lies in 0 less than or equal to S2 less than or equal to 3. Actually we are checking whether this intersection point is also in this region. Okay, so x2 of 7 by 3 is less than b of 3. x2 of 7 by 3 is less than b of 3. So we need to consider x2 of 7 by 3. If it was greater than, we will consider this 3. So since this intersecting value is also in between this in the boundary, we need to consider that value also. x2 of 7 by 3 also we need to consider. So we are going to find the value minimum of 21 minus 7x2 by 2 comma 21 minus 2x2 by 7. What is the values? Substitute x2 equal to 0, x2 equal to 3 and x2 equal to 7 by 3 in this function. First I am going to substitute x2 equal to 0. First I am going to substitute s2 equal to 0. I will write the values here for your easiness. When x2 equal to 0, minimum of, what is the function here? 21 minus 0. 21 minus 0 by 2, that is 10.5 comma 21 by 7, that is 3, which is the minimum value 3. So when x2 equal to 0, the value of function is 3. When x2 equal to 7 by 3, minimum of 21 minus 7 into 7 by 3 divided by. So when x2 equal to 7 by 3, minimum of, that is 21 minus 7 into 7 by 3 the whole divided by 2. When we are solving, we will get 7 by 3. Here 21 minus 2 into 7 by 3 the whole divided by 3. Here also when we are solving, we will get 7 by 3, which is the minimum value 7 by 3. 7 by 3 when x2 equal to 7 by 3. Third case, when x2 equal to our last value 3. That is when x2 equal to 3, minimum of 21 minus 21 by 2, 0 by 2, 0. Here 21 minus 2 into 3, 6. 6 by 7. 21 minus 6 by 7, that is 15 by 7, which is the minimum value 0. Okay. So we need the minimum of these values. We need the minimum of these values, which is the minimum value 0. So what is the value of x2? 3. So minimum value is 0 corresponding to x2 equal to 3. That is x2 equal to 3. So x1 is equal to minimum of, substitute 3 in this equation, minimum of 21 minus 7 into 3 divided by 2 comma 21 minus 2 into 3 divided by 7. That is minimum of 0 comma 15 by 7, which is the minimum value 0. So x1 equal to 0 and z equal to 4x1 plus 14x2. Substitute the values of x1 and x2 in this objective function, we will get 42.